Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Xiaobi USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 10 gigabits per second 10 port 60 watt powered USB hub. You can see you've got 6 standard USB ports and 4 USB-C ports, all 3.2 Gen 2. It is a solemn aluminum build. Each of those ports supports a 60 watt power adapter charging, and they have independent port switches and indicators, and it is compatible with any computer you want to hook it up to, basically. So let's get the sleeve off and get this opened up and take a closer look at the device. Now this is the hub itself. It is solid aluminum. It looks good and also feels very, very solid. And you see you've got these independent buttons for each one, which is great. You can turn each one of these on and off. You also have the little LED indicator to indicate that it's on or off. And then you've got your ports themselves, obviously over here. 6 standard USB, 4 USB-C. All of them are Gen 2. USB 3.2, so you're going to get 10 gigabits per second of data transfer as well as the fast charging. And on the bottom here, you've got these nice little rubber feet so that when it's sitting on your desk, it doesn't slide around. And then over here on this side, you've got DC in as well as USB-C. That's what you're going to use to connect to your computer in order for data transfer. And in the box, you do have everything you need. You've got your power adapter here. And this is great because you've got the long cord going there, and then you have a long cord going there. So should be plenty of room or length for whatever your needs are to get it to the power to it, which is great. And then they also included the cord to connect this to your computer. You have the USB-C side, which is this is going to connect to that, and then on the other side over here you've got both. So you've got the standard USB, again 3.2, but then if you don't need that, if you're using a Type-C port on your computer, then you can just remove this and have the Type-C. But I love that they include the adapter attached, so no matter what port you have available on your computer, you have a way to attach it, which is awesome. They do also include, of course, the instruction booklet so that you can get all the information, but it's pretty, cut and dry as far as how it works and what it does. You basically have a hub with 10 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, your 6 USB and your 4 USB-C. So looks like a really awesome product by Xiaobi, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.